investors, 2024 could be the year you taste success as two industry giants are going to launch their respective IPOs, with the entire investment world eagerly awaiting them. First up is Ola Electric, known for revolutionizing urban mobility with electric vehicles. Their IPO is highly anticipated, with estimates suggesting a valuation exceeding Rs 30,000 crore. Since Ola Electric is already disrupting the automotive industry and offering innovative electric solutions, you can be sure that this IPO is highly sought after all over the country. That's number one. Now this is even bigger. In fact, it might be Asia's largest IPO launch ever. Hyundai Motor India, a leader in the global automotive market, is gearing up for its IPO debut with an estimated valuation of over 50,000 crore. Hyundai has always been renowned for its exceptional design, quality craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Investors always go for reliability and constant expansion in the companies they look out for, and Hyundai checks all of those boxes. Follow FundsIndia and stay tuned for updates on these two IPOs, because you don't want to miss out on these.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.